AT2065. Fundamentals of Body Electrical Wiring Diagram EWD. What is EWD? The EWD is a valuable tool when diagnosing an electrical problem. Knowing where specific information is and the system that the book uses to help speed up the diagnostic process. What is the purpose of EWD? 1. Help us to access and quickly perform the diagnosis correctly. 2. Help us to access quickly the following: circuit symbols, electrical components location, EWD sections, table of contents. It is the fastest way to find the wiring diagram or information you need. Introduction. This section gives us the overview on the contents of the manual. How to use the EWD. This section helps us to understand the basic information needed to use this manual. This section displays the basic symbols and codes used in the manuals. This section displays the description of basic symbols and codes used in the manuals. This section displays the system outline of a circuit. This section displays the connection from all major parts to the respective ground points. This section displays the basic information about connectors. And this section displays the current flow chart from battery to all load device on the circuits. Troubleshooting. This section displays the basic troubleshooting technique and information. For example, voltage check, continuity and resistance check, finding a short circuit, and how to disconnect male and female connectors, how to replace terminals, abbreviations. This section displays the electrical terms abbreviation used in this manual. Glossary of terms and symbols. This section displays the electrical component symbols and description. For example, battery, circuit breaker, motor, resistor, sensor, and switches. Relay locations. This section displays the actual relay locations on the vehicle. Electrical wiring routing. This section displays the wiring harness routing on the vehicle. These are the examples of wiring routing. System circuit. This section displays the schematic diagram of individual circuits in the vehicle. Ground points. This section displays the specific ground point of the circuits in the vehicle. Power source. This section displays the power source flow in the vehicle electrical circuit. Connector list. This section displays the connector codes and colors. For example, connector A3 is color black, connector A21 is yellow, and connector A39 is gray. Part number of connectors. This section displays the connector name and part number. Example, stoplight switch assembly. The connector part number is 90980-11118. Fog light assembly, left hand. The connector part number is 82824-60460. Speedometer sensor. The connector part number is 90980-11143. Overall electrical wiring diagram. This section displays the overall electrical wiring diagram of a car. This brings us to the end of this topic.